Namaste my dear friends, I am Raj. I welcome you all to Nirvana Wellness Center. Today I will talk to you about snoring, that is a very common problem everywhere, and how you can get rid of snoring. There are simple exercises, and the first one is to sit in lion pose. You can do it in any way, and you can put your hand here down, take out your tongue and try to look at the third eye and then make sound like lion. And the second one, which is very easy to do, you sit in Mool Bandh pose and do the same thing, breathing. Breathe through the mouth, not through your nose. And the third one is to do Kapalbhati. That's the best pranayam. It will help you to get rid of most of the problem. And keep on exhaling. Don't think about inhalation. Body will take care. And when you exhale, your tummy will go in together, like you are clearing your nose. And you can put little your head down. And another pranayam is Ujjayi pranayam. Put your head little down in Jalandhar Bandh, neck lock, and then make sound. And hold with your root lock. And then exhale through your left. Root lock is contract your anal sphincter muscles up, and how you hold your ring, same way you pull your sex organ in and hold. This exhale. Doing root lock will help you to get rid of your sexual gynec problem also. This is the best exercise poses which can help you to get rid of your snoring problem. Wellness center is always meant for wellness of the people. So if you have further any query, please visit our website www.nirvanawellbeing.com. Thank you very much. Peace be with you.